Welcome back to Raw, right along with Dan. We're shooting a video here about how to hand sealing shingles. You might need to know how to do this. If you're installing some shingles and it's cold below a certain temperature, there's different manufacturers have requirements that they be hand sealed. If you were installing shingles on a mansard roof where there's an extremely steep pitch, a 2012, things like that, you nail them, but those at that requirement, you should hand seal them also. On this roof, we installed on deck intake air vents here, and there's ice and water underneath there. It's mostly adhered down, so we're going to go through and hand seal some of the corners, different spots. We want to make sure that the customer's roof is sealed up nice and tight the way it's supposed to be. We won't be doing full hand sealing of shingles, but if you're hand sealing shingles, most people, if you're going to seal it with a sealant, they do it the wrong way. What's the wrong way? Lift the shingle, you put a line of sealant the whole way, then you put the shingle back down and seal it down. Will that seal it down? Yes, it will. But your roof is not supposed to be waterproof. It's supposed to be water repellent, and your roof still needs to breathe. You still need to have the capability, so be it, there may not be much, but it still needs to have some capability to be able to breathe and to have some sort of airflow. So here's what you do if you're in a hand seal. Under one shingle, you'll put about a quarter size glob of sealant, about 4 different spots under that shingle, and then seal it down. You know, not that complicated, very simple, but you can simply do it the wrong way or you can simply do it the right way. So we're going to do that on this roof, and we just wanted you to know how to do it if you needed to. Anyway, thanks for hanging with me again.